Hello everyone. For this case study assignment for chapter 1, what you're going to do is go into the e-text, which is linked, it's the PDF, and you're going to page 15. This will allow you to basically read through a section that's called Market This, and it'll give you a little bit of an idea as to how you should respond to these questions. And when you're going through these questions, what they're asking you is to think about how you would approach the task of promoting through social media. So what you need to do is read through this and think about your own methods that you would use, and maybe even pay attention to some of the things you read in the rest of the chapter. You might want to go back and reread some of the things. Think about things like brand promise, brand strategy, how you might integrate with traditional marketing. For instance, if you have ever seen a poster or an ad that has like a QR code or a it might have like the little like Facebook icon with a an @ sign and the name of the company, the name of the page that you should look up on Facebook. That gives you means of finding the page or finding out that they have a page and then going to it when looking at something that may be a print ad or something that you see on TV. You might hear something on TV where they say, find us on Twitter at whatever. And so that might be part of your strategy for integrating social media and traditional media. But go through these questions and think about how you might use some of the parts of the social media marketing process. Again, those are the things that are in here that say like establish a brand, develop a strategy, engage the audience. How are you going to engage the audience? If you were doing this in a TikTok video, how might you, have the audience, learn about your product, and how might you get them to, interact and leave their reviews online. And then maybe think about things like how you would look at the results and how that might impact your subsequent actions, and whether you start working on a product that got more likes or better reviews, do something more in that direction than a different direction, but how that impacts what you would do with your future marketing. So once you finish this, then you can go on the independent explorations, do work for another class, or read. But as you're writing your responses, I want to see an explanation of why you responded that way, why you would do what it is you're doing. What do you think the impact would be if you did the thing that you're saying you're doing? And what is the reasoning behind it? Why'd you choose it? All right. Have a good afternoon.